The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue refines Ferrari's first-ever SUV with improvements in performance, luxury, and technology. It still features the powerful 6.5-liter V12 engine, around 725 horsepower, with potential hybrid options. Expect enhanced infotainment, driver assist technologies, and performance upgrades for better handling and agility. The interior continues to offer high-end materials and customization, while the exterior may see subtle design tweaks. Overall, the 2025 Purosangue builds on its foundation as a high-performance luxury SUV with a focus on Ferrari's signature driving experience. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue continues to redefine the luxury SUV category with its combination of performance, design, and Ferrari's signature driving experience. While it's technically Ferrari's first-ever SUV, the Purosangue maintains the brand's commitment to high-performance sports cars while offering the versatility of an SUV. Here are some of the highlights. 1. Powertrain and performance. The 2025 Purosangue offers a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, derived from the Ferrari 812 Competizione, producing around 725 horsepower and 514 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Ferrari's hybrid V6 engine, likely an option, could offer a slightly lower power output, but with enhanced efficiency and torque. 2. Design and luxury. The exterior design is unmistakably Ferrari, with sharp aerodynamic lines that are both aggressive and elegant. The interior features premium materials, customizable finishes, and a driver-centric layout, with a high-tech dashboard and infotainment system designed to integrate seamlessly with Ferrari's performance features. 3. Performance features. Despite its size, the Purosangue's chassis and suspension are engineered for optimal agility, thanks to Ferrari's proprietary systems and adaptive dampers. It features rear-wheel steering and an all-wheel drive system, enhancing handling dynamics and off-road capability when needed. 4. Driving experience. The Purosangue offers an adaptive driving experience, from comfortable cruising to sporty handling, aided by advanced driver assistance systems and Ferrari's dynamic vehicle control. Price. Expected to be priced from around $400,000, the Purosangue is positioned as a high-end luxury SUV in Ferrari's lineup. The Purosangue is still a Ferrari at heart, with breathtaking performance and luxury, but it also opens up a new market for the brand, catering to those who want a more practical, yet no-compromise super SUV. Are you thinking of getting one, or just curious about it?